Today, we will work on an extraordinary trade setup with one of the best strategy and one of the best indicators. We will cover everything from weekly charts to minute charts, as you like it. If you're ready, time to start. Let's take a look at this A++ Masterclass setup. One of the best trades I have ever seen. A top runner coin called BOME. I will directly work on a top-down analysis as usual. From the weekly chart, I did not have good games with imbalances. Instead, we relied on liquidity this time. This coin was making an extremely simple smart money action. It hunted the previous week low and started heading towards the previous week high. A classic price action here. We had our overall weekly bias here. How cool is that? We find a bias in 1 second. Now checking the daily time frame. How did we convince us of this weekly bias? Daily actions supported the weekly bias. Price not only swept the weekly low, it also filled the daily imbalances and tapped the daily order block. So we have fully powered, or I can say fully fueled for the movement. We got our high time frame bias with the combination of daily and weekly charts under a couple of seconds. We have the bias, all great and good. How about the momentum? Do we have the momentum or the real buyer power to carry us to our bias? Let's take a look at it. Within the 30-minute and 1-hour charts, you can see that we are fully powered with these internal imbalance taps. Within the 2 and 4-hour charts, I can see the momentum imbalances. Momentum imbalances give me the power and direction of the buyers. All great at this point. So all we need to do is observe this low time frame action here inside this yellow circle. Right now, we are looking at the 5-minute low time frame entry chart. This little yellow point is where the price taps the 30-minute and 1-hour imbalances. This is the moment of full power for us. You can see the market structure shift right here with the structure box, and inside our structure box we have our BPR, the balanced price range area. Then the buyers gain the full momentum with momentum imbalance. The moment of a possible sniper entry. Let's make everything extremely clear for you. We already had our weekly and daily bias. Now we are looking for a reason to long this top gainer. In the 5-minute chart, price taps the 30-minute and 1-hour imbalances and the inner structure shifts. Inside the inner structure, we notice the balanced price range. Remember, what is a BPR? It is a combination of failed imbalance and momentum imbalance. A BPR is a perfection of a regular imbalance, and it is 100 times more powerful than ordinary imbalances. Never forget this. Actually, BPR is one of the core actions of price switches, which I teach in the masterclass. Then the price flies away, as you can see, a 7% move. Now, how to manage such a trade? Never ever get greedy here. Greediness or forgetting the risk management will destroy you. Okay, one more time. 1 single second of a greedy action can destroy all of your accounts. Now, take high amount of profits with 2-3% move here. And move your stop loss to break even to your entry. Let like 10-20% of your remaining position to run further for a possible runner. This is how you find your bias. This is how you confer your momentum. This is how you manage your trades. This is my 18th video in a row in 18 days. 18 days and 18 same setup. Just exactly the same as I teach you in the masterclass. One single strategy, one single indicator, one single trading method. Over and over, no difference. And it is happening every single day with top gainers or top losers. Hope you liked this video. Take care, folks. See you next time.